Hello, Celeste Jones, Metaverse in the Metaverse. Today we're going to talk about Twitter for beginners. This is very important in the NFT space and an important social media platform for artists getting into the NFT space. Twitter is a real-time sharing network. A tweet is a message with a maximum of 200 characters. It's short and sharp information. You can add images, videos, and links. There are over 2.5 billion active users all around the world. About 50% use Twitter on a daily basis. Follow the most prominent people in the Twitter space that has to do with your business or interests. Follow others and stay up to date on what is going on in your industry. Follow prospective clients and even your competitors. Follow celebrities, influencers, sports stars, etc. Then, start engaging with people by liking, commenting, and sharing. Develop a posting strategy, news, blogs, interesting content and images. A short break for a quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io. Partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries, curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io. And pretty please tap that like button and subscribe. Back to how to use Twitter. Next, develop a posting strategy for each day of the week. For example, Monday, talk about what's planned for the week with your project. Tuesday, you can share some information on how you and your team decided to do the NFT project. Wednesday, you can post some photos about the progress of the project. Thursday, you can post about some challenges you overcame with your project. Friday, you can post about ways to avoid some of the issues that arise in Web3 space. Saturday, you can post about the utility that your NFT project has and the benefit it has for holders. Sunday can be a call to action. Click here to get on our whitelist. These are just a few ideas for posting strategy. Using an eye-catching image or video, use hashtags. There is a tool that finds the best hashtags. It's called Hashtagify. Activate notifications so that you can see it right away. Hashtag is any word or phrase without spaces with a hashtag symbol. These phrases are related to your tweet. There are 2 billion search queries on Twitter daily. These hashtags are important. Think of it like a Google. People do this with Twitter to find out information. You can put a person's username to thank them or highlight them or ask a question. Create polls on Twitter asking them what they want to see. That's it for today's snippet of info. Tap the like button and subscribe. And have a great day. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, NFT Celeste Jones. And we welcome your comments down below on tips that you can give users on how to use Twitter. Celeste Jones and Metaverse in the Metaverse. Goodbye.